Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing Nocode, a tool that claims to turn your Google Docs into a functioning website without any coding. Nocode is a web app that lets you use Google Docs to create and manage professional websites, all without any coding. This is a pretty different deal as well. It's the first time that I see a deal like that on AppSumo, and literally you're gonna use your Google Docs to create a website. And it's pretty nice. And the use case here is, vast. You can think in many ways that you can use your Google Docs to create different kind of websites. And they have some integrations here that will make your content to be more dynamic. And it's pretty simple to create the website and to start right now. All the plans get the same deal. The difference here will be the number of websites. If you are good with 10 websites, so license tier 1 is enough for you. If you need more websites, you can buy up to license tier, where you get 500 websites. So let's see how the tool works. Here's the first thing that you're gonna see when you start the tool, when you go to the dashboard. So you're gonna create your first website. You're gonna add your website name, and then you can select a template. I'm gonna show you many different kind of templates, and you can see here that you can even create a blog using Google Documents. Okay, so here's the blog templates. If you click here, you're gonna see the blog here. That's an about here as well. You're gonna be able to add your logo here. Let's check another template. Here's the minimal templates. Okay, you're gonna connect your Google account, and then you choose your template. For the sake of that review, I'm gonna add the documentation template. Okay, and you can choose the main color. Okay, you can choose all your brand color or select one of the colors that the tool will suggest to you. Okay, and you click on create website. A no-code website will load its content from a folder on your Google Drive. To help you get set up, we have created a folder in your drive for this website. Then you're gonna see the folder here. Each page on a no-code website is a Google document. Click add to documents, and a document will open in Google Drive. Once you have entered some content, you can return to Nocode, and it will automatically load your new content. Okay, you can create a new content here, add in here. You can select a new Google folder, import existing driving content, or create a new Google content. I'm gonna import a new one, import existing drive content. I select this content here, and as you can see here, it will be automatically here on the website. Okay, on settings, you can sort your content manually by name, by date, ascending or descending. You're gonna choose that. This is like a document content. That's pretty cool, and I can see a lot of use case for that. I'm pretty much buying the tier 1 for that. Okay, I think it's pretty cool to organize my files, my academic articles. So I think it's a pretty good idea. It's pretty simple. You can add widget, link, import existing content as the Google, as I saw here, a new Google folder, or even a link. Okay, so let's import a link. Let's add in the URL here. Clicking here, you will go directly to the link. You can also add widgets, and those are the widgets. A heading, a title, like that. So you can divide your document by title, etc. You can add social links, your Facebook URL, Twitter URL, for instance, like that. Will show up here on your website. Okay, you can see many use cases for that. To create a library with Google Docs, to organize your texts, your articles. You can create a search button as well. Okay, so you can find the content. That's a way. That's a thing that it's valuable. It's valuable if you have a lot of articles, academic texts. You can just use the search button to find what you want. Okay, there is an e-commerce button as well as widgets, and a contact form. And you can add all HTML here. So you can use a custom it may allow to, add a form. I'm gonna try to add an off-site widget. Let's see if it works. So I've added a script here. Now I'm gonna click on save. It did not show up. When you need to sync your folder anytime, just click on Resync Drive and it will load your data. You can see how it's easy to create a new website. You can make any of the documents as the homepage of your website, okay? You just click here on settings and click on make this the homepage. It's pretty simple. You can add the layout as well, like that. So adding breadcrumbs, you can add image to your documents, okay? Use even Unsplash to find your image, make it prettier. You can add breadcrumbs, which is pretty cool for SEO. Okay, that's pretty nice deal. Look how it's beautiful. Pretty useful deal to create a documentation website. And when you are ready, you just click here on publish and you will publish your website. Okay, pretty simple like that. You build the sitemap automatically, okay, with all the policy, and your website will be ready. I'm gonna show you how it works. It's like that. It's here, it works. Look here on the left. I just added the Rihanna clip using the offsite widgets. Pretty cool, pretty nice. I like that so much. I'm buying that. People. And I would recommend you to buy it as well. Really cool websites. So I hope you like that review. If you like, please click on the link in the description. Thank you so much.